I'm just making some poached egg. So these are my things in front of me. I have 1.5 liters of hot water, so I'm just waiting for it to boil. I have this whisk, vinegar, and 2 eggs, and this tablespoon. So I'm just waiting for the water to boil. I need to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar in the water. So I've got here 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm just using the vinegar from the supermarket. So I'm just gonna put it there. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil, so my water is boiling already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to whisk the water like so. Just gonna swirl it around, and then if you could see the middle part of the water, I'm gonna put the egg in there. So our water is boiling now, so you just have to swirl the boiling water. So once you see the middle part of the water, that's where you're going to put the egg. So just gonna put it there, just put it in the middle. There you go. And just wait for at least 3 minutes to 2 to 3 minutes. It depends to how much do you like your egg to be poached or hard it is. I usually like the, well, soft one, runny one. Our poached is, I think, ready, so we're just gonna try it. It looks nice. Yeah, it's soft. I'm just gonna turn this off. So sometimes what I usually do is cut the edges. Like that. Yeah.